$7 trillion is about to flood into AI infrastructure land, and the investors who position early could ride the biggest wealth wave of this decade. According to McKinsey, nearly $7 trillion will be invested in AI data centers, cloud services, and power generation by 2020, a spending boom unlike anything we've ever seen. Even with talk of an AI bubble, companies like Meta, Alphabet, and Microsoft are increasing their spending, driving the next trillion-dollar growth cycle. This massive investment is divided into three pillars: technology makers, power suppliers, and hyperscale operators who run the world's AI engines. These are the 5 stocks Joseph Hogg is buying now: Fuchik, Supermicrocomputer, AMD, Broadcom, Bloom Energy, and Microsoft, each powering a different part of this AI revolution. These companies aren't chasing hype, they're building the servers, chips, and power systems that make AI possible. Real assets, real profits. The AI wealth wave is just beginning. Stay informed, stay strategic, and follow Cash4Dollar to know where smart money moves next.